Are you an entrepreneur or property developer with a vision that's just waiting to come to life? Picture this, a world where your projects are no longer confined by financial constraints. We're here to tell you that world is closer than you think. We're OED Tiny Homes and Thig Inc., and we're excited to offer you funding solutions for your construction projects. Whether it's an accessory dwelling unit or a glamorous camping property, we're ready to help you bring your vision to life. We've spent years in the industry, successfully supporting numerous construction projects. Our experience has given us an understanding of the unique financial requirements and challenges that come with these ventures. But we don't just understand them, we're equipped to tackle them head-on. Our funding solutions are tailored to your specific needs. We know that every project is unique, and so are our financial offerings. Coupled with competitive interest rates, we ensure that you maximize your return on investment. We also value your time. That's why we've streamlined our funding process to make it as efficient as possible. With our team of experts guiding you through each step, you're in for a hassle-free experience. And speaking of our team, they're always ready to answer your questions, provide guidance, and offer professional advice throughout the funding process. We're not just a company offering financial solutions, we're your trusted partner in your construction journey. So, if you're ready to elevate your projects, remember we're just a call or a direct message away. Reach out to us and let's discuss your project. We can't wait to hear about it and help turn it into a reality. Your vision, our funding solutions. Together, let's build a brighter future.